Welcome to the ERP Industry Insights, the podcast where we dive deep into digital transformation, ERP systems, and real world applications that are shaping industries today. I'm your host Nishad, and in this particular episode, we're focusing on a sector that touches nearly every product around us, the injection molding manufacturing industry. Today, we'll explore how CRM, or the customer relationship management, is becoming a game changer for the injection molding companies, how it's implemented within the ERP frameworks, the challenges faced, and the transformative benefits realized. Let's start by acknowledging the unique landscape of the injection molding sector. Unlike some other industries, injection molding manufacturers handle high volume repeat production, stringent quality controls, complex customer specifications, and tight delivery schedules. Yet, despite this complexity, many companies still rely on traditional spreadsheets, fragmented software, and manual tracking to manage customer relationships. Now, this particular thing leads to missed opportunities, inconsistent communication, and even customer churn. This is where a robust CRM integrated within an ERP ecosystem can make a significant impact. Now let's see why CRM matters in injection molding. So why does CRM matter so much for the injection molding manufacturers? Here are the three key reasons. The very first would be order repeatability and customization. Injection molding companies often produce repeat orders but with slight variations. A CRM system captures historical orders, specifications, and customer preferences, thereby reducing errors and speeding up reorders. They have complex quotation processes. So basically, many manufacturers struggle with time-consuming manual quotes. CRMs can automate quoting, linking directly to pricing rules, molds, materials, and production schedules. After sales and quality tracking. In this industry, post-delivery support and traceability are critical. CRM enables quick access to batch records, previous complaints, and service logs, ensuring fast issue resolution and building long-term trust. Now let's talk about what the CRM implementation journey actually looks like in an injection molding environment. The very first step is the process mapping. First, it's important to map existing processes from sales inquiries to production to after sales service. Understanding where customer touch points exist is key. The step 2 comes for the integration with ERP. Here, the injection molding firms usually need a CRM that is tightly connected to ERP modules like sales and order management, production planning, inventory control, invoicing, and delivery. This basically ensures real-time data flow and removes manual handovers. The step 3 is the data migration. Migrating historical customer data, quotation records, and service histories is crucial to maintaining the continuity. The step 4 is the training and adoption part. CRM success depends heavily on user adoption. Sales and customer service and production teams need to see it as a tool that simplifies their job, not as an extra task. Now let's see some common implementation challenges. Well, of course, CRM implementation isn't always smooth sailing. Some of the common challenges faced in the injection molding sector include data silos. Pre-existing customer data may be scattered across spreadsheets, email threads, and legacy systems. Resistance to change. Sales team used to manual processes may initially push back against using the CRM. Customization needs. Standard CRM templates often don't capture the technical complexities of injection molding, codes, bombs, or mold specific details. And lastly, disconnected systems. When CRM is not properly integrated with ERP, it leads to fragmented customer views. But the good news is, with the right implementation strategy and the right ERP partner, these challenges are absolutely manageable. Let's bring it to life with a practical example. Imagine a mid-sized injection molding company that used to take 3 days to respond to customer quote requests. After implementing a fully integrated CRM system, they're able to have Quotation time dropped to a few hours, repeat order accuracy increased significantly, and customer complaint response time improved by around 40%. And on top of that, the sales pipeline became visible in real time, empowering the leadership to forecast demand, allocate resources better, and build strong customer relationships. So, what should you take away from today's discussion? Well, CRM and injection molding is not just about managing contacts. It's about enhancing production, agility, improving customer satisfaction, and creating a competitive edge. Integrated CRM and ERP is the future and not standalone systems. Successful CRM implementation depends on process alignment, system integration, and team training. And lastly, the journey may involve challenges, but the long term gains are transformative. That's all for today's episode of ERP Industry Insights. I hope that this session gave you valuable perspectives on CRM implementation within the injection molding manufacturing industry. If you're considering CRM or ERP transformation in your organization, I'd love to hear your questions or success stories. You can connect with me by dropping a line at sales@apagen.com. Don't forget to subscribe for more industry insights and practical ERP strategies. Until next time, it's Nishad signing off. Stay efficient and stay connected.